Today's Monday, September 28th, and if you'll go ahead and head up your paper, the title of today's lesson is How Much for One? How much for one? And I'm going to have you stop and write down your learning targets. I can choose and create diagrams to help me reason about prices. I can explain what the phrase "at this rate" means using price as an example. And if I know the price of multiple things, I can find the price per thing. Okay? All right, and we're going to skip over our number talk today. Today's lesson talks about cost and price. And I want to focus on this first problem. 8 avocados cost $4. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me see if I can bring this. Okay, so we're going to change this to avocados, and we're going to have 8 of them, and our price is going to be $4. Okay, so if I go to one tick mark, if you'll look at my number line, I've got $8 and $4. Okay, if I do 2 tick marks, my 8 doubles to 16, my 4 doubles to 8. Okay, so go ahead, if you will write down 1A, 16 avocados cost $8. $8. Okay, and we're going to keep moving this. Our next question says, how much is 20 avocados? Well, we don't see anything for 20. We go from 16 up to 24. But what do we know? Well, we do know that 20 is halfway between 16 and 24. So could we estimate what's halfway between 8 and 12? And that would be 10. Okay? So for B, 20 avocados cost $10. Okay? Now, next question. How much do 9 avocados cost? Well, again, I don't see anything for 9. Okay? So how could I go about figuring out this problem? Well, could I go back the other way? If 8 avocados cost $4, then 4 avocados cost $2, right? How much does each avocado cost? What's the relationship between avocados and price? Okay, we know it's going to be somewhere between 4 and 8. And you should be thinking that price is half the number of avocados. So if we're looking for 9 avocados, what is half of 9? And of course, that's 4.5. Okay? Now, let's look at another example. The next example, 12 large bottles of water cost $9. Okay? Water is $9. Water, let's see. So let's change this to cost. $9. Water is going to be 12. Okay? 9 and 12. So if I look at my example, how many bottles can you buy for $3? Well, let's take it back some. How about if we change this one? Ah, look, how many can we buy for $3? For $3. Well, $3, I can buy 4 water bottles. What is the cost for 1 bottle? So let's take it all the way back to 1. Oops, what happened? 9 to 12. How much? What is 9 to 12? What is 9 divided by 12? Well, it's 0.75. Let's find out now about 7 bottles of water. 7 bottles, 75 cents a piece. Okay, I can do that. So if I go here, 7 bottles. Oh, look, we've got something going here now. 7 bottles is between 6 and 8, right? Between 4.5 and 6. What's halfway between 4.5 and 6? Let's take it one more. That's really getting, yeah, it's really hard to see now. Okay, so, all right. Let's look at one more. $8 is the cost this time. And this is for flour, 10 pounds. Okay. And I'm going to take it all the way back. I'm going to take it all the way back. Okay. 10 pounds of flour is $8. How much is 40 pounds going to be? Well, don't I need to add some more here? 10. 40 pounds is $32. Okay, so how much is 1 pound? Well, let's go. Let's see, how much is 1 pound? How much is 1 pound? 1 pound is going to be 80 cents. Okay, all right. So let's go back to our slideshow. Okay, and here it is spelled out a little bit more for you. And if you want to take the time to write this down, you can pause the video. Totally up to you. I think we covered most of this fairly accurately. Any questions? Okay, so what I want you to do is take some time now and practice on IXL R9. This is your opportunity to practice. You may use a calculator if you so desire. Once you finish practicing and you feel comfortable, I want you to come back to your Canvas page and complete this problem using your link on the Canvas page. Okay? Does anybody have any questions?